We will quickly then cut across to my colleagues who are currently at the Bombay Stock Exchange, where they have managed to hold up, the Tata Technologies management as well for a quick interaction.
With us, Mr. P.B. Balaji, Chief Financial Officer of Tata Motors. Mr. Balaji, welcome to ET Now. So you have mentioned about a goal of reaching a zero net debt. So what is the target? When are you looking to reach over there?
Yeah, thanks for having me on the show. Good morning. The net debt target stays, and what we had committed is by end of this year, Tata Motors will become as close to net debt zero as possible, and the following year, JLR will be net cash. So between the two companies, in this year and next, we should be done and dusted, and we are on track for that.
All right. So you're looking to reach that goal by the end of this year?
Tata Motors and next year for JLR.
Next year for JLR.
Yeah.
All right. And is Tata Motors looking to keep an over 50% equity holding in Tata Technologies? After the IPO, it has come down to 53% from 74% when you were preparing for the IPO. What are your plans on that?
We were 75.6 before that. Now we are at 55, and we intend to keep it that way for the moment. No plans on that front any further.
What are your plans on collaborating with Tata Technologies in the future? Tata Technologies is already doing a lot of work on your EV vehicles, and they've also flagged plans that they want to grow into other areas like aerospace. So going forward, what is the dialogue with Tata Technologies? How do you plan?
See, Tata Technologies is a key vendor for us, and while we are also the promoter shareholder there, it's also a very strategic partner for us, and that relationship will remain, and it will be a multifaceted relationship. We work with them on the product R&D divisions. We also work with them on IT, digital. It's a wide-ranging relationship both here and in JLR, and that will remain. And Tata Technologies will also be working with Agritas, the battery company, as well for industrializing the manufacturing processes there. So there is lots to go for as far as we are concerned. And Tata Technologies will continue to be a key stakeholder in that relationship that we want to build.
All right. So what are your plans on new EV launches? And how are you planning to collaborate with Agritas, which is setting up a gigafactory in Gujarat to make lithium battery cells for EV vehicles?
See, we have already called out that we'll have close to about 10 EV cars coming up by 2025, and we are on track for the same. And for that, the battery supplies is a very important part of that, and it's not just till 2025, even beyond. And we will aim to source at least 70% of our battery requirements from Agritas, both in Tata Motors as well as in JLR, and the rest we will be sourcing from the market. And this is therefore again we will be an anchor customer for them. And similar to what we are in Tata Technologies today, we are an anchor customer for them. And therefore, this relationship is another key one that we intend to build going forward.
Any fundraising plans Tata Motors has during this financial year? I mean, you can throw any capital raising.
We are anyway going net debt free, so we have no requirement for funds at this point in time. Yeah.
Right. It was a...
When the funding is already coming in any case, this is a key part of our deleveraging plan. And this is what we had committed to the market. That's what has come through. Delighted to see the way it has opened. Yeah. And therefore, that we are now sorted as far as funding is concerned.
And what would you be using the money you get from the IPO?
To deleverage our business. Okay. So repaying debt is what this funding is going to.
And that's going to serve your goal to become a zero net debt.
Absolutely.
All right, there you have it, an exclusive interaction, and we'll be keeping you up to speed with the other top members and top brass of the Tata Group. As of now, that's Tata Motors saying that they are on track to achieve the net debt targets, and they will maintain their stake in Tata Tech at the current level post the IPO levels. Moving right on, let's